Question is convert the following angles in radians. First one is 5 degrees. For all pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So how much is 5 degrees in radians? Let this be x. When we cross multiply this, we get x is equal to pi radians into 5 degrees divided by 180 degrees. So we get 5 into 3 is 15, remainder is 30, 5 into 6 is 30. And degree unit cancel each other. We have pi by 36 radians. Therefore, 5 degrees is equal to pi by 36 radians. The next one is 75 degrees. Solution is for all pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, how much is 75 degrees in radians? Let this be x. When we cross multiply this, we get x is equal to pi radians into 75 degrees divided by 180 degrees. So the degree unit and cancel each other. 5 into 15 is 75. 5 into 36 is 180. And 3 into 5 is 15. And 3 into 12 is 36. So we have x is equal to 5 pi by 12 radians. So therefore 75 degrees is equal to 5 in radians is 5 pi by 12 radians. Next angle given here is 165 degrees. Solution is for all pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, how much is 165 degrees in radians? Let this be x. When we cross multiply this, we get x is equal to pi radians into 165 degrees divided by 180 degrees. Degree unit and degree unit cancel each other. 5 into 3 is 15, remainder is 15. 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into 3 is 15, and 5 into 6, remainder is 30, and 5 into 6 is 30. So we have 3 into 11 is 33, and 3 into 12 is 36. So we have x is equal to 11 pi by 12 radians. Therefore, 165 degrees in radians is equal to 11 pi by 12 radians. The next angle given here is minus 940 degrees. So the solution is for all pi radians is 180 degrees. So how much is minus 940 degrees in radians? Let this be as x. So when we cross multiply this, we get x is equal to pi radians into minus 940 degrees divided by 180 degrees. 0 and 0 cancel out each other. Degree unit and degree unit cancel out each other. 9 into 2 is 9 into 2 is 18, and 2 into 4 is 8, remainder is 14. 2 into 7 is 14. So we have minus 47 pi by 9 radians minus 940 degrees in radians is equal to minus 47 pi by 9 radians. So the next angle given here is minus 620 degrees. The solution is for all pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So how much is minus 620 in radians? Let this be as x. When we cross multiply this, we get pi radians into minus 620 degrees divided by 180 degrees. 0 and 0 cancel out each other. Degree unit and degree unit cancel out each other. 9 times 2 is 18, and here 31 into 2 is 62. So therefore we have x is equal to minus 31 pi by 9 radians. Therefore minus 620 degrees in radians is minus 31 pi by 9 radians. So the next angle given here is minus 460 degrees. So the solution is for all pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. How much is minus 460 degrees in radians? When we cross multiply this, let this be x. When we cross multiply this, we get x is equal to pi radians into minus 460 degrees divided by 180 degrees. So 0 and 0 cancel out each other. Degree unit and degree unit cancel out each other. So 9 into 2 is 18, and this is 23. So we have x is equal to minus 23 pi by 9 radians. So therefore minus 460 degrees in radians is equal to minus 23 pi by 9 radians. And the next question is 10 minutes. In order to convert minutes to radians, first we have to convert minutes to degrees and then degrees to radians. So for all, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So how much is 10 minutes in degrees? When we cross multiply this, we get x is equal to 1 degree into 10 minutes divided by 60 minutes. 0 and 0 cancel out each other. Minute unit and minute unit cancel out each other. We have 1 by 6 degree. So we know that for all pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So how much is 1 by 6 degrees in radians? Let this be x. When we cross multiply this, we get pi radians into 1 by 6 degrees divided by 180 degrees. So degree unit and degree unit cancel out each other. So we have x is equal to pi divided by 6 into 180 radians, which is equal to pi by 1080 radians. So therefore 10 minutes in radians is equal to pi by 1080 radians. So the next angle given here is 45 seconds. So in order to convert seconds to radians is first we have to convert seconds to minutes, and then we have to convert minutes to degrees, and then we have to convert degrees to radians. So first we know that for all 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So therefore how much is 45 seconds in minutes? When we cross multiply this, we get 1 minute into 45 seconds divided by 60 seconds. So 4 into 9, 5 into 9 is 45, and 5 into 12 is 60. 3 into 3 is 9, and 3 into 4 is 12. So, and the seconds unit and seconds unit cancel out each other. So we have 3 by 4 minutes. So now we have to convert this minute to degrees. So for that we know for all 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So therefore 3 by 4 minute is equal to how much degrees? So let this be x. When we cross multiply this, we get x is equal to 1 degree into 3 by 4 minutes divided by 60 minutes, which is equal to, so here minute unit and minute unit cancel out each other. So we have 1 degree into 3 divided by 4 into 60. So 3 into 20 is 60. So we have 1 by 80 degrees. The last step is to convert this degree to radians. So for all, we know that pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So how much is 1 by 80 degrees in radians? Let this be x. When we cross multiply this, we get x is equal to pi radians into 1 by 80 degrees divided by 180 degrees. So degree unit and degree unit cancel out each other. So we have pi radians divided by 80 into 180, which is equal to, x is equal to pi by 14,400 radians. So therefore we have 45 seconds in radian as pi by 14,400 radians. And the last question given here is 14 degrees and 55 minutes. The solution is, first let us convert this minutes to degrees. So for that we know that 1 degree for all, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So therefore how much is 55 minutes in degrees? Let this be x. When we cross multiply this, we get x is equal to 1 degree into 55 minutes divided by 60 minutes. So this is 11 and this is 12, and degree minute unit and minute unit cancel out each other. So we have 11 by 12 degree. 14 degrees plus 11 by 12 degrees, which is equal to 168 plus 11 divided by 12 degrees, which is equal to 179 divided by 12 degrees. Now we can convert this degrees to radians. So for that, for all, pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So how much is 179 by 12 degrees in radians? So let this be x. When we cross multiply this, we get x is equal to pi radians into 179 divided by 12 degrees divided by 180 degrees. Degree unit and degree unit cancel out each other, and we have pi radians into 179 divided by 12 into 180, which is equal to 179 pi by 2160 radians. So therefore, we have 14 degrees and 55 minutes in radians as 179 pi by 2160 radians.